We'll do 6 inches at a time and then we'll mate them together. I'm just doing a fine bead. It goes a long way, so I'm just spreading it out with a popsicle stick, making sure I have a nice, uniform, even, thin layer. The thicker it is, the more you'll fight it setting properly. So you like to make sure it's a nice, thin layer. I'm gonna go right at the corner of the 2 surfaces I'm gonna use, where I'm gonna be adhering. It doesn't take much because it goes a long way. Stuff is messy. And make sure you don't distort the seal, you just press straight in line with where it sits. Make sure you're in position because this will try and grab right away.